Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to steam vegan fish with silky soft tofu. Hope you like it. I will use noodle soy sauce for this recipe. It is super simple to make, healthy, and not greasy. Tender tofu has a delicate and smooth texture, a light and delicious taste, and is suitable for a variety of cooking methods. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: soft tofu, vegan fish. Vegetarian fish can be easily purchased in supermarkets. I bought a whole piece of fish and cut it into as much as I want. Since it needs to be thawed before slicing, it is recommended that you cut the fish into the size you want when you thaw it for the first time, which will be very convenient for you to use next time. Sliced vegan fish and set aside. Remove soft tofu from casing and slice it. Sandwich vegan fish between soft tofu. My container is a little too small to fit in all the vegan fish. Let's change bigger plate. Drizzle dried noodle soy sauce on top. I use this instant dry noodle sauce, which has a strong scallion all flavor. Let's steam tofu. 115 degrees for approximately 8 to 10 minutes. Steamed tofu is cooked. Optional to garnish with spring onion too. Cooking the vegetarian fish in this way allows it to absorb the flavor of the dry sauce, making it another delicious, non-greasy and healthy recipe. Optional to use oyster sauce and soy sauce for this recipe. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist, yeah. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I found some information about ingredient of this recipe on the internet and I'd like to share it with you. Vegetarian fish is a fish-like food made from plant-based ingredients, usually made from soy products, gluten, konjac, etc. Its appearance and taste imitate real fish, and it is suitable for vegetarians or people who are allergic to fish. Common vegetarian fish ingredients include soy products such as tofu and soy milk have a texture similar to fish after processing. Made from wheat protein, it has an elastic taste and is often used to imitate meat. Konjac is low in calories, high in fiber, and has a texture close to the taste of some fish. Vegetarian fish can be prepared in a variety of ways, such as steaming, boiling, frying, and roasting, and seasonings such as soy sauce, vinegar, and chili can enhance the flavor. It is not only an alternative for vegetarians, but also suitable for people who pursue a healthy diet. Soft tofu, as the essence of soybeans, is a treasure on the vegetarian table. It is not only tender and easy to digest and absorb, but also a high-quality source of plant protein, providing essential amino acids for vegetarians. Soft tofu is low in fat and cholesterol-free, which is beneficial to cardiovascular health. It is also rich in minerals such as iron, calcium, and magnesium, as well as B vitamins, which can help vegetarians maintain a balanced nutrition and promote good health. In the diet of vegetarians, soft tofu is a delicious dish that can satisfy the appetite and nourish the body and mind. Although tofu is good, it is not suitable for everyone. Just as the moon waxes and wanes, tofu also has its unsuitable guests. For those who are allergic to soy, tofu is like pollen to the nose, which will only cause discomfort. For friends with gout, the purine in tofu may become the fuse of their joint pain. For patients with kidney disease, the high protein in tofu may increase the burden on the kidneys, just like adding straw to a tired camel. Therefore, although tofu is delicious, you need to think twice before eating it, so as not to turn the delicious taste into moldy. Tofu is very suitable for vegetarians. Tofu is a soybean product and a high-quality source of plant protein. For vegetarians, it is one of the important foods to supplement protein. Tofu is not only high in protein, but also contains a variety of amino acids needed by the human body, which can meet the protein needs of vegetarians. In addition, tofu is rich in trace elements and vitamins, such as iron, calcium, magnesium, and B vitamins, which help vegetarians maintain a balanced nutrition. The diversity of tofu also makes it a good choice for vegetarians. It can be transformed into a variety of flavors according to different cooking methods to meet the vegetarian's pursuit of food, taste, and flavor. Whether it is soft tofu, old tofu, or dry tofu, it can be a delicious choice on the vegetarian table. Therefore, tofu is undoubtedly one of the ideal foods for vegetarians. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.